Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use reading mode in Google Chrome step by step. Reading mode helps you focus on the content of a web page by removing distractions such as ads, sidebars, and other unnecessary elements. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, visit the web page or article that you want to read. Once the page is fully loaded, look at the top right corner of the browser window. Click on the three-dot menu to open more options. From the menu, select More Tools and then click Reading Mode. In some Chrome versions, you may find Reading Mode directly in the side panel options. A Reading Mode panel will appear on the side of your screen. Chrome will automatically extract the main content from the web page and display it in a clean, easy-to-read format. You can scroll through the article without distractions from ads or extra page elements. Depending on your Chrome version, you may also be able to customize the text size, font style, background color, and line spacing. Adjust these settings to create a reading experience that is most comfortable for you. When you're finished, simply close the Reading Mode panel to return to the normal web page view. And that's it. You successfully used Reading Mode in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.